You're all welcome to my YouTube channel on today. On this channel, I am discussing about products and specifications and reviews that I encounter in my day-to-day life. On this video, I'm going to brought you a watch, luxury watch that been made by Poedagar. The word is Poedagar. You can see it on the screen on the mirror. This is how I brought it. It came with I brought it from AliExpress. This is not a commercial. It came from AliExpress, and it is affordable, and it is cheap, and also it gives the luxury requirement of a watch, just like Rolex and others. You know, all the features were included in this watch. You can see it is came in an excellent way and quality packages, and you can see the warranty card they provided. According to the product, this is watch brand was made on China. uh, the product is branded luxurily. They producing it as like branded watch. In China, these watches were made by uh, uh, replicating the branded quality watches that made in Europe, like just like Rolex, and there are many citizens parts and like watches. They copied and they made that quality watches at the China for a cheaper and affordable price, but it gives the luxury watch requirements on this watch. Can you see? You can see that it came with a beautiful packaging, luxury packaging, and it has user manual, and also it provides additionally they provided me that uh, 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 belt changing equipment with that watch. It's amazing to have that. No other watches will be provided you that. You have to buy these tools from market to change your watch, and this is how the watches look like. Mainly on a luxury watch, the luxury price, you know that the Rolex Citizens watch are most watches are more than 200 to $3,000. They are ranged different from there to where the price range was changing because from uh, $2 to 10,000 to $50,000 because of the material and technology used in product using these watches. You can see this watch came with an quality output and quality, and you can say the display was made, the glass was made by uh, natural crystal, and it is, you can see the blue color on it, and you can see upper watch. This watch is included with 3, 4 and 5 dials. You can see main dial is one, it is shown the uh, watch time, real watch time, and the, you can see in the right hand side it is an you can use it to have a time in a separate timeline. So assume that you are in India, you have a friend on England, you get the take the watch right side dialed into England time, and your main watch dial is into Indian watch time. It will, it provide you, then you can talk to him on that time, you're looking on that time. And the left hand side you can see the uh, uh, stopwatch, where it shows the seconds in the down. The mainly minute one is on the right left hand side, and the down is showing the second stopwatch. And you can see that I am showing rotating the main dial, and you can see the upper dial. It's showing the sunrise and fall, and the moon, the orientation of the sun and moon, and where it is. So in the morning time, the watch, in the noon time and morning time, it shows the sun, and in the night time it shows moon on the dial, and it orientation in the atmosphere. And this is what like watch, and you can see it's made of stainless steel. On the night time it shows like this. It is providing a luminescent color with if you expose it to expose into bright light, and you go into the darkness, it shows like this. All the dials and markings and the star formations will be luminescent, and you can see it on there. Now I'm going to change this change the uh, bracelet using that equipment as prepare it to my sign sizes. I will explain you same after the when your luxury watches are made from various materials from gold, bronze to stainless steel. There will be change goes like that, and inside also made sometime maybe made of gold. If the watch was made with gold, the price will be more higher, but the things in the inside are same. When you consider the luxury watches as Rolex, they provided a lifetime warranty with this, because one watch was taken, it will be never replaceable, and they will provide every thing for that watch as they had mentioned. But the features are same in the Yugo, Frodgo, and they all the features are same. If you want to have a luxury watch features, you can buy these like Frodgo watch easily and priceable, and it is comfortable and it give a luxury look to you. So it's better to have a watch on these times. Old days, the price was and the price and other things were mentioned on there, but nowadays we need to have a quality watch that provide many features, and this is you provide it, I think so. Up to now I had using it for several days, and it's okay, and it never give any errors or changes, working smoothly. It's nice, and this is how you can change the bracelet size using that equipment. You know, this is a nail in there, and you can rotate the fix, and the nail will be removed. And as you need, you have to remove several parts from the bracelet, and you can use it. Size it yourself with your hand. You don't need to go for the mechanical person to change your watch time. It when you take it online, it will you can do it yourself. Do it yourself. Work in a beautiful watch and good. And also I want to mention that the crystal glass, crystal. When you have several watches, the most cheapable watches provide then glass on front of the main watch. This glass can be scratch from your fingernails or anything you have. But in making, but that mean crystal display means it's mostly sapphire crystal. They use mostly sapphire crystal. You know that the Apple phones use sapphire crystal for their displays and camera lenses, because these these lenses one cannot be scratched from anything more than diamond. Thank you. I think this is the watch, and you can see it is fixed to my hand, and this is the time what I have to explain you. I think this information will be helpful to you. Thank you for being with me in this channel. I hope this information will be helpful to you. Thank you again. Thank you.